OpenAI just dropped a bombshell warning to the US government. China's AI might be moving faster than expected, and OpenAI is sounding the alarm. But here's the big question. Is DeepSeek AI truly a threat? Or is OpenAI just scared of losing power? Stay tuned, because this AI war just got real. What if I told you that OpenAI fears China's AI dominance so much? They're begging the US government to step in. That's exactly what's happening right now. DeepSeek, China's leading AI model, is evolving at an insane pace, and OpenAI is worried it might even surpass ChatGPT. But is this about national security or just business competition? Today we're breaking down what OpenAI told the US government about China's AI power, how DeepSeek AI is advancing faster than anyone expected, what this means for the AI race between the US and China, and most importantly, should you be worried? Watch until the end, because this might change the future of AI forever. Here's the game-changing truth. OpenAI recently confirmed that China's AI research is moving at a dangerously fast pace. In an official report to US policymakers, OpenAI warned that the US is falling behind, while China is making massive AI breakthroughs with DeepSeek, Qwen, and Wudao. The biggest shock? OpenAI believes China is now training AI models that could match or even exceed ChatGPT in the next 6-12 months. And here's why that's terrifying. DeepSeek AI is already outperforming expectations in multiple fields, from natural language to code generation. China is investing billions into AI infrastructure, data collection, and supercomputing, way beyond what OpenAI and Google can do. And most importantly, they might be using AI to develop national security tools that could shift global power. Now, let's talk about why OpenAI is so concerned. DeepSeek AI is not just another chatbot. It's a revolutionary AI that is being built to operate at scale, across industries, and possibly beyond what OpenAI can control. Here's why DeepSeek AI is a game-changer. Massive data access. Unlike OpenAI, which is limited by ethical guidelines, China has access to one of the largest AI training datasets in the world. 2. Advanced supercomputing. China's AI labs are using cutting-edge GPUs and custom chips that even rival NVIDIA's AI hardware. 3. Government funding. The Chinese government is pouring billions into AI to ensure DeepSeek and other models lead the global AI race. 4. Integration into daily life. DeepSeek isn't just a chatbot. It's being used in military research, smart cities, finance, and surveillance systems. Now, let's look at the biggest concern. Will the US be able to keep up? Let's be real, the US has led AI development for years with OpenAI, Google, and Meta dominating the market. But China is now catching up, and some experts believe they might already be ahead in certain areas. The numbers don't lie. China filed more AI patents than the US in 2024. China's AI industry is growing 3x faster than the US AI sector. DeepSeek's latest AI model outperformed GPT-4 in Chinese language tasks. So, is the US losing the AI war, or does OpenAI just want more control? Here's the million-dollar question. Does OpenAI truly believe DeepSeek is a security threat? Or is this just a move to protect their dominance? Some experts believe OpenAI's warning is not just about national security, but about making sure the US government supports OpenAI financially. Think about it. OpenAI needs 1. More funding to compete with China's AI investments. 2. Regulations that limit China's AI models in Western markets. 3. Government contracts to solidify its role in US AI leadership. Could this be a tactical move by OpenAI to maintain control? What does all of this mean for the future of AI? There are 3 major possibilities. 1. The US and China enter an AI arms race, both pushing AI to its absolute limits. 2. OpenAI, Google, and DeepSeek create a new AI alliance to avoid a global AI Cold War. 3. AI regulations increase, limiting AI advancements to prevent geopolitical conflicts. Either way, this is the moment that defines AI history. So what do you think? Is DeepSeek AI a real threat, or is OpenAI just trying to protect its business? Comment below with your thoughts. Let's discuss. Don't forget to subscribe to AI Horizon Daily for exclusive AI updates. The AI race is accelerating faster than ever, and we'll be here to break it all down for you. Turn on notifications because the next AI update might just change the world. Like and share this video if you found this information valuable. See you in the next AI breakdown. Stay informed, stay ahead.